Hi, I am Josephine Vishal, and today I want to talk about something that affects almost all of us: poor posture. Whether you're working at a desk, scrolling on your phone, or lifting your kids, posture can make or break how your body feels. Poor posture isn't just about slouching. It's a leading cause of neck and shoulder pain, tension headaches, chronic fatigue, low back stiffness. When your head leans forward, it can put up to 60 pounds of pressure on your spine. Over time, that creates tight muscles, poor circulation, and even nerve irritation. Here's how to fix it. Sit or stand tall with shoulders relaxed. Keep ears in line with shoulders. Engage your core and avoid locking your knees. Move often, every 30 to 45 minutes, stand or stretch. Small habits can lead to big changes in how you feel every day.
Let's move on to the Q&A segment. How do I know if my posture is causing pain?
Common signs include daily headaches, neck stiffness, rounded shoulders, and lower back tightness, especially after sitting.
Can posture really change with physiotherapy?
Yes, with right exercises, ergonomic tips, and muscle retraining, most people see noticeable improvement in a few weeks.
I sit for work all day. Any tips?
Absolutely. Use a lumbar roll, raise your screen to eye level, and take breaks to stretch every hour. We can help with the tailored setup. Your posture is the foundation of movement and strength. If you're noticing pain, fatigue, or tension, let's assess your posture and build a plan together. Improve your posture, improve your life. Book your posture assessment today.